guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you share the story that you posted in Instagram on Facebook. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Instagram. After that, you have to scroll to the right. And now you have to click on the settings icon at the top of the page on the right. Now you have to click on the story, and now you have to scroll down. And as you can see, there is share your story to Facebook. You click on the button next to it, and then your story will be uploaded to the Facebook too, and you are done. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!